Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Standard on the GLE are LED daytime running lights, 19-inch alloy wheels, tires are in excellent condition. We've got a espresso brown MB text interior, sunroof, coming around back here. Also have LED taillights, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, a trailer hitch, power liftgate, all season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, a cargo cover, first aid kit. Coming alongside here, we've got a nice natural grain brown walnut trim, memory seats, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, active lane keep assist. Hopping right in, we've got our steering wheel controls here that are now touchpad, paddle shifters for extra performance. This also comes with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got push start ignition, ambient lighting, navigation, rear backup camera, dual climate controls, a wireless charging port, keyless go, cup holders, a touchpad command center, dynamic selects. This vehicle has 2,724 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.